I'll try again. Even if I fail, when I fail, I'll try again. I don't know, this is Angel Eyes, and I will be co-hosting the next episode of Watch the Video. I'm going to tell you about it. It's the hottest promotion going on. I'm going to tell you about it. Yeah, right, that's all. Yeah, truly, I could be in your arms tonight, but I won't forget what you done to me. Truly, yeah, Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador. Right, let's say it there. Watch the video now. Turn it up.
Whoa, 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 yeah. It's the reggae ambassador. That's right, Angel Eyes will be co-hosting the very next episode of Watch the Video. And she'll be co-hosting live and direct from sweet Jamaica. I don't have to say anymore. Just watch the video.